This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Ann Brewer, original owner and sought-after Sajo Farm. This home has been well cared for. Beautiful open floor plan with huge great room, gas fireplace, large kitchen with granite countertops and loads of cabinet space. First floor primary bedroom suite with jetted tub, separate shower and dual sink vanity. Interior freshly painted 223 new windows from 123, new dishwasher 223 gutters with leaf guard and more. Enjoy morning coffee from your screened-in porch overlooking Lake Smith. Room over garage is used as walk-in attic but can be finished as fourth bedroom. Carefree lifestyle with amenities that include a pool, gym, clubhouse, playground, dock with canoe/kayak launch, walking trails, yard and building maintenance. Conveniently located near interstate, airport, shopping, restaurants, and military bases. Seller requests pre-qualified buyers. Please cover shoes west/booties. If buyer uses Chris Bufis with NewTowne Mortgage, lender will contribute 1% of loan amount toward buyer's closing costs. For more information, review the details below or contact Ann Brewer at 757-317-2221.